Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both iPhones. Update iOS and back up each device so nothing is lost. Once done, confirm two-factor authentication is active on your Apple ID. This prevents lockouts when you sign in. On the second iPhone Open Settings, tap Sign into your iPhone, enter the same Apple ID and password used on the first phone. Make sure to approve the login on the other device when the verification prompt appears, and follow prompts to merge or keep existing Once signed in, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to control what syncs between phones. Turn on Contacts, Photos, Calendars, and any app you want mirrored. This explains why both devices share the same data. Enable messages in iCloud so texts and attachments stay consistent. If you hit storage limits, upgrade your iCloud plan now to avoid sync failures. Also check FaceTime and iMessage settings so calls and messages route to both devices as expected. Finish by testing. Add a contact, take a photo, and send a message. Confirm they appear on both iPhones. When the system prompts to merge or keep local data, choose Merge to unify iCloud contents across devices. If something fails, the key troubleshooting step is to sign out of the Apple ID on the affected phone, restart it, and sign back in. Make sure two-factor approval completes. If problems persist, check iCloud.com and Apple system status for outages before further changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.